Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Canva account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you remove the background from an image in Canva? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove the background from one of your images anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you're selling items on Amazon and you need to remove the background for your product listing. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Canva account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But before we go any further, I want to let you know that to remove a background is a paid feature. So you have to have the pro plan on Canva. Check my video description for the most recent prices. So once you've logged into your Canva, it's going to be here at the home screen. And the next thing you want to do is go ahead and click here in the search bar and then type in what type of project you're going to be working on. Okay, so I'll just type in Amazon listing and let me go ahead and click enter. Okay, next you can go ahead and click right here next to Canva templates and see all. So if you're doing this with an Instagram post or maybe a thumbnail, it's going to be basically the same process. So just look through the template and see which one you want to go ahead and use. So for example, we'll use this one right here. Okay, and I'm going to click on customize this template. Okay, so here we have an image right here. So first what we're going to do is we're going to go here to the left and then we're going to click on uploads. Okay, so here you're going to see all of the images that you have in your Canva library. So if the image is not there, what you're going to do is click on upload files, upload it from your computer, and that way it's stored here in your Canva library. Once it's here, you can easily just drag the picture on over and then just drop it where you want. So right there. Okay, so now you see we have some shoes with like this kind of blue background. It looks like they're sitting on a carpet. So what we want to do is go ahead and click onto the image, the square image of the shoes. And then as you can see, you're going to get this bar up here at the top and it says BG remover. Click on there. Okay, now a quick second later it processes. And as you can see, the background has now been removed. Now, if you don't have the pro plan, it's going to say BG remover, but it's going to have like the gold crown. So again, you do need to upgrade for this to be available. And then what we want to do here is we want to go ahead and click on it. And then we're going to click on BG remover again. Okay, so now we can go ahead and edit just the picture itself. So there's two things that we can do. We can either erase more or we can restore it. So sometimes the background remover is going to leave, I don't know, like a little bit extra right here. So we would need to go ahead and remove that. So usually what I'll do is I'll go ahead and use the slider bar and zoom in to the part that needs to be removed. So for example, we'll click on restore and then we'll just restore this little area right here. Okay, so there, if the BG remover did not remove this, what I would do is, like I said, just zoom in and then move it on over to that section. And I would zoom in as much as you can. And that way you can be very, very detailed. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and remove this. So what you do is click on erase, and then you see this big white circle. That's the size of your brush. So that's not going to be very exact, but we can remove it in big swipes. So we're just going to go ahead and click and start deleting. So you can see it starts removing. Okay, and then I'll get pretty close to the image itself. Okay, that looks pretty good. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and decrease the brush size so I can be a little bit more exact with my movements. So I'll drop it down to a 1, and then we'll do the same thing and just start deleting right here. And it's just like a paintbrush. So most of the time the background remover is going to be pretty good, but like I said, sometimes it's going to leave a little extra and you can go ahead and just recreate that. And then sometimes when you are removing the background on an image like what I'm doing, you're going to slip and you're going to go like that. That's okay. Don't worry, because we can go back in and recreate that. So this looks pretty good. So the background has been, well, there's a little bit more right here, and you can do a one touch. You don't necessarily hold and drag it. Okay, that looks good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here on restore, and we're going to fix this part. We're going to bring this back. So just kind of paint it on like what we did before, and you can see the image replaces itself. Okay, so let me drop the size brush down a little bit more. Okay, and then we added that in. And then what we can do is we can go ahead and come back down here and zoom out. And now you can see that portion has been removed. Okay, so there is the image. So let me close this down. Okay, now what we want to do is you can go ahead and edit. So again, if this is like an Instagram post or a YouTube thumbnail, you can go ahead and change this around. Or maybe you just want the image itself, you can go ahead and delete all of this. So just delete. Maybe we'll change the background from where it is. It's in cream. So we'll click up here and then change it to white if we're going to be uploading this to Amazon. Okay, next, after you've removed the background on your image, click up here and I would just put this as remove background image Canva. Okay, now you can go ahead and save it by clicking on share and click on download. Okay, here you can do ahead and choose what type of file. So do you want a JPG, PNG? You can even do a PDF if you want. For me, I'm going to do a PNG and then I'm going to download. So here is our image with the background removed with Canva. So we did that with our Canva Pro account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to remove the background to one of your images or your photos in Canva, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.